Hey guys, welcome back to Marina Odin. For those of you who are new, welcome. And for those of you who have been supporting me and subscribing to my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. Every support counts. I mean, this is why I do it, for all the love that you guys give me. And of course, I enjoy shopping and just love sharing with you guys. And I love the community that I have created here. So as you guys can tell, it is another Chanel unboxing, and you know we love it here on Marina Odin to do these beautiful Chanel unboxings. So I'm trying my best to give you guys as much of these unboxings as possible, and I can't lie, I obviously enjoy them as well. So we have a Chanel to unbox. I will go ahead and flip the video over to the unboxing. Also, the reason why the box was boxed up in a certain way is because I received it from Hawaii. They had absolutely sold out from all the LA stores, and they didn't have the specific size. And the bag, as you guys could tell from the title, it's a very much wanted bag. I mean, yeah, they make a huge deal out of this. I mean, it's just the bag at the end of the day, but it is a beautiful bag. So let's honor it, and let's go ahead and go into that clip of me unboxing this beautiful bag. And we'll come back and do a little chat as we always do about the bag. So see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. It was just like a quick, fast, nice unboxing. And now let's talk about the beauty. So as you guys saw, it is this beautiful Chanel 19 large. Now, the reason why I emphasized large is because there have been many talks about the sizing and that a lot of people are confused. I just want to clear up the confusion. Now, I've also done a video about this beautiful bag in the size maxi. So if you haven't watched it, I will link it right up here so you guys can go ahead and watch it afterwards. And I'll also make sure to include it at the end of the video if you guys don't want to click out of this video. So let's talk about the sizing first and foremost. Just so beautiful. I mean, okay, let's jump into the sizing. All right, so first things first, this one is definitely smaller than the maxi, okay? And another thing you guys have to keep in mind is that there are only 3 sizes particular in the handbag. Now there is a wallet size as well and a belt bag. So the 3 handbag sizes and the way it is actually stated on the website by Chanel, and I just don't understand why though the Chanel sales associates are not educated on the sizing of these bags, because it's really irritating when you call them and they don't even know which size you're really talking about unless you give them the item number. And it's like really frustrating, especially if you're trying to order this online. You're kind of like, I hope it's the right bag that's coming to me. Like, that was the situation I was going through. And I was just wondering why they weren't educated better about this bag. Now, I know it's a fairly new bag, but it's already been a full season that this bag has been in. although these bags don't really tend to stay on the shelves. So I kind of understand also why they might not know much about it. But again, Chanel, please make sure you guys educate your sales associates on the sizing and the details of each bag. I think it's very important, okay? All right, so one thing, there is a maxi. We're gonna start from the largest, and that is the maxi, okay? And then the second one is the large, which is this baby right here. And the third one is just simply called the Chanel 19 bag. There's no small, medium. I think that's where people get it very confused. Also, another thing to look out for, if you watch my maxi, look out for the stitching at the end right here, at the tips of the flap. You'll see the size difference as well. The maxi has a larger area before the stitching ends. On the diamond, it's a fairly larger area cut, okay? Now, on the Chanel just the 19, which everybody refers to as the small, which that's not how it's referred to on the website, and that's why there's so much confusion. There is no stitching at the end of the diamond cut. So there you go, clearing up the air about the size. Now, for those of you who don't know the details and haven't watched the video before this large one, then you guys, I just want to kind of break down the details of this bag once again. And just also talk about, I want to talk a lot about the size because I think this is why I mainly wanted to do the video. Although there was already a video done by me for the maxi, I just thought really it wouldn't do justice because the large just has specific details that I noticed that the maxi does not have. So I wanted to talk about the hardware. I have 3 types of hardware. So we're gonna start with the special tarnished gold. It's gorgeous. And then we'll go to the ruthenium silver, which is also, you can call gun metal silver. And we have just a beautiful polished silver. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the handle is in full gold tarnish. Just beautiful piece. Also, the detail on the CCs are also tarnished gold. And when you open the back here, this is also tarnished gold, and the beautiful red color that they put is just such a classic for me, and I'm absolutely in love. And I have some stuff here, which is gum. Here is the authentication card, and then the beautiful red in there, just one small pocket. So another detail that I would like to touch base up, and before I do that, let's showcase this beautiful CC, the inside of it. It's just gorgeous. And so some things that I noticed was a bit different from the maxi and the large. I would have to say the maxi was also a goat skin, but I noticed the goat skin on the large just seemed way more, I would say, shinier and glossier goat skin than the maxi. Also, another thing, the structure of the large is way more structured at the ends over here, and you can almost feel, I'm not sure if it's just they made it like a nice hard leather area surrounding it, which keeps the structure here, and over here is just more pillow-like, and so is the bottom. But for the maxi, I have to say the maxi was just very slouchy, whereas this is slouchy enough, but it has structure that's holding the sides here. As you guys could even see the beautiful structured look that it has. Overall, I have to definitely say this became my ultimate favorite, even over the maxi, and I just have to say that's because of the wearability of it and just the perfect size to fit it all. And just, I think for this bag, I don't like to go too small, and I realized that the maxi would be really nice for travel, but the large really does wear on everyday basis and nighttime, and you can just really do a lot with it. And the size of this strap is just perfect. You can put it on your shoulder, so it just kind of lays like so perfectly right on my hip. And I am 5'4", so not too tall, but I think this is just the perfect size. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love. And like I was talking about, I just hold it from the handle like so, and sometimes I like to throw, and I will show you guys also how to wear it over the shoulder. So what I really like about this is that for the large, the strap is a bit longer, not too long, but a bit longer, where with the maxi, it was hitting me right under my breast right there, but with the large, it's kind of hitting me right there, not too high, so it's giving me a lot of movement, and I could wear a jacket, feel comfortable, and it's just so much more flattering in my opinion. Sometimes I even just kind of toss it to the back. And I don't know, there's something about the large that is just so flattering. I absolutely love. And as you guys could see, so gorgeous. And I sometimes just put the whole strap inside the bag. And it just becomes a handle bag. Just gorgeous. And a lot of times I'm going to put it down a little lower. A lot of times I just hold it like this. Just classic. It's a beautiful classic piece. You can wear it during the nighttime. You can wear it in the daytime. I'm absolutely in love with the maxi as well. It's just, I don't know what it is, but I love the large, just the way it wears. Crossbody, and it just became my daily bag, and I can just see myself wearing this a lot. It's super versatile, and also it's lighter weight, but yet again, like I said, the maxi is gorgeous, and I'm sure they'll be coming out more and more with different colors. So yeah, and also I'm looking forward to styling this bag with many outfits. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video up and talk a little about a giveaway that I was doing. I did a Chanel beauty giveaway for the holidays, and we finally had a lucky winner, and I announced it on January 20th at 7 p.m. Also, just wanted to let you guys know I will be doing more giveaways. Comment down below some giveaway ideas that you guys would want me to do, and comment down below what you guys thought about this video and what type of videos you guys would like to see, and just give me some advice. I always love hearing from you guys and connecting with you guys. Also, thank you so much for supporting me, and if you haven't gotten the chance to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and see you guys soon. Bye bye.